If you can, please place your hands there and see if your abdomen is moving. So how many of you got this right? Is there anyone who wants to ask anything over here at this point? Any question? Yeah, I think there's somebody who raised his hand, Sai Kumar. Let's get this basic right first today since we have a little time, and then tomorrow hopefully we kickstart in time. Hi, good morning Sai, good morning, happy morning. Yes, yes. This pranayama is very helpful in maintaining your blood pressure levels of the body. It's very helpful to improve your digestive system. It's very helpful to control stress and anxiety. Even when you practice any of your asana, your exercise, wherever you are sitting, if you are in any kind of a stress, just sit for just 1 minute or even less than 10 seconds. Close your eyes. Even if you can't close your eyes, get your awareness on your breath. Inhale 5 counts, exhale 10 counts, 1:2. You will see that the entire nervous system relaxes. What is the cause of stress? Somewhere where our nervous system is not able to cope up to handle things. And that's when we start getting more stressful in our life. So, and it's the mind, it's the thought that have repeatedly occurring in our mind. Okay, and it's a problem that we don't think solution, but we are only focused on the problem. Now when we look at all these three aspects, it's only more not a very positive energy, it is more an energy which is very negative. So immediately, if you can just close your eyes and then just breathe. And you will be settled. So this basic technique you can share with everybody in the family. Go and ask your parents today. Place your hand here, place your hand here. Can I see from where you breathe? You will see most people who are worried, most of our parents who are definitely worried at this point of time. Lot of us are worried. They will all of them will be moving their hand. This part will be moving more than the abdomen, because we have got used to that lifestyle of breathing like that. That's why you see children are so joyful and playful. Do you see a child in stress? He falls, okay, and he will get up, he will be bleeding, but he will still get up and run again because he has forgotten that he fell down. He lives in the moment of now, and that is why they celebrate and enjoy more. So the more we try to breathe in our day-to-day life, just in awareness, wherever we are sitting, you don't need like a clean place, you don't need only this breathing, only this breathing. I'm only talking about this breathing. So wherever you are, you can sit and you can practice this. You are on the car, you are on a journey, you are going anywhere, you can definitely practice this breathing. And you will experience it yourself if you release stress. Please share this with your friends, with your family, and subscribe to our channel, because we are bringing something more interesting, more innovative ideas, thoughts and experiences that can make a difference to your life, and maybe it can be a gift to other people's life.